up to a different trail system, so that makes it nice because we can access the vehicle a lot quicker from the upper system. But we got a team put together for a 1 o'clock meetup at our favorite gas station along 287 at Ted's place. And then we will wander up there and winch this truck back onto the road. The photographs looked like a pretty straightforward job, so it should be like any other typical pendulum style recovery from a vehicle that's off the bank on the side of the road, and should be able to get winched back on there with relatively little drama. It's resting up against a tree, so that's stopping it from going further down the hill, which is nice. But I'm going to pull in here and top off with fuel and wait for the rest of the team to show up. Had a nice little thunderstorm come through, but we're all gassed up, topped off. Our vehicle owner already took off because they got to hike in. Current rules, we're not allowed to have anybody that doesn't live with us in our own vehicles, so off we go. We'll kick it back on when we get to the vehicle. Well, there's the owner's ride, so it looks like they got down here okay. We're at the very upper end of the 7 Mile Road 225, so we should be getting pretty close here. Oh yeah, he did a number there. Must have been too close to the edge of the road or something. Look like it's going to be terrible.
No, it shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to go down here and turn around.
Yeah, I'll come down and turn around with you. Do you want to be the winch vehicle, or do you want me to be the winch vehicle?
That could be.
All right, so I've taken up a position as anchor vehicle here once we get the rigging figured out up here. So I'm actually going to pull up a little bit. Smell gasoline. You smell gasoline? Or is that just my imagination?
I don't smell it, but I'm not.
Okay. It could be from us driving up here too. Hot vehicles, you know. Yeah.
You want me to grab a set of gloves on your vehicle?
Oh, they're laying on my, yeah, I'll snag them. I'm not too worried about it.
Well, let me go on the other side over here.
Whoop. You didn't get me, but did you get you?
Nope, I'm good, thanks.
It's like this rock was conveniently placed here just for us. Oh, did I get it far enough? Awesome. Oh, that's gonna work sweet. That's gonna work great.
little bit too tight.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you want to be able to pull off to the side here, don't you?
Yeah.
I just don't want it to come flying off of there, so.
Yeah, I wanted to get a double hook.
Oh, I got you. I see what you're doing. Heck yeah. All right, let me run snag my gloves. Do you want to bridle the front of this thing versus using one tow hook?
I thought as if we bridle it, it gives it a pivot point to roll.
Yeah.
If we stay top. Yeah.
Then you can put tension on it.
Yeah, pull it back down.
That should work, huh?
Yep. And I'm in front of a frame cross member.
Okay.
So it will not travel backwards.
Cool. I'll get some video of this too. Redirect to the first tree, down to a pulley block, back to a second tree for some load sharing and an easier pull. You doing good over there? Oh, you're getting all fancy with that X-lock.
I just wanted to get the proper bearing.
Yeah, on your winch, yeah. Good idea. This
It effectively shortens the length of
Yeah.
your winch line, so you can get to the proper depth on wrap on your winch drum. Because
Yeah.
the deeper you are, the more leverage you have.
10,000 pound winches are rated to pull 10,000 pounds on the last wrap. It's about a 10-ish% loss every wrap. So this just helps you pull out the extra 30 feet of line. Because that's essentially what it is. We got 3 lines here at 10 feet.
Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and
So we're not going to pull the rock out first.
well, I'm gonna pull slack out so it doesn't go anywhere.
Okay.
I hear ATVs. They don't have a choice because we got lines out.
Yeah, you might as well.
Let's have you tension this line up too, so we have some tension on this.
All right, hang on.
We got a long way to go. Okay, line's coming off the ground.
Doing a redirected past the 2-to-1.
Yeah. Just to help share some load and get a little more pull on that.
Or distributing on the tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then so we got 2-to-1 coming there. So there's more pulling power and just an easy redirect so we don't completely stack line on one side of his drum.
Okay.
So yeah, that looks like it laid down pretty good.
All right, you want to get pictures of our rigging?
Yeah, most definitely.
Comfortable with this open? Justin, our only other option here is for me to pay out my winch again
Right.
and chain around this rock and just jerk it out.
Yeah, that would work. I mean, because this isn't going to go anywhere now. So we're good. I mean, it can't go anywhere. So let's winch this rock out. Yeah. Watch your back.
On the track position, that supporting rock fell out, so.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, that was good.
It wants to come. Let's go this way.
Oh, wait. Actually.
There we go, it's turning.
Oh, yeah. No.
There we go.
No, you don't have to mess with it.
I got my phone somewhere in here. Anything else? Yeah, my phone. Oh no.
It wasn't up here.
Okay. I'd hold it dead.
Now keep going. I want to suck this down. Okay, that's good. Now it ain't going anywhere. Oh, it's a manual. That makes it even easier. Hurry up! Yeah, when we start doing actual winching, yeah. Okay, parking brakes off and it's in neutral. And I did that without smashing my fingers. So yeah, when we actually are winching, as long as you're just back behind the hard cover,
Yeah.
then you're golden, because nothing can fly through all of that.
Step over your,
Yeah, don't do that, because that's got about 10,000 on it right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk her. I'm on a boat, man.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. No, hang on. Okay. You winch her out. Well, some squirrels are gonna get some Cheetos tonight.
Yeah, I left no trash, but I was like, you know, I'm not stepping on Funyuns.
How did you get to this part? How did you do this?
Well, like I said, I was going up this way, side by side. Ripping around the
Oh.
corner, 11 o'clock at night, dark.
Yeah.
I start backing up, getting out of his way. He barely misses me, going on the right, coming to like skid and stop, and that back wheel hit right there. And
Yep.
it just started going, dude.
Yep. Right.
Yeah, let it run for a minute.
It didn't even smoke.
Much.
Sitting at that angle. Yeah, that was dust. Yeah, I just left it on since I had the flashers flashing.
Okay.
Nobody, I wasn't sure if anybody was gonna come up behind us, but it's okay.
All right, so if you guys get stuck,
It was only an hour.
since you don't have a
No,
radio,
I wasn't bad.
Well, mission complete. 4:10 p.m. Not too bad. I think we got down here somewhere between 2:30 and 3 o'clock, so about an hour to pull this out. Not too shabby. So we're gonna make our way out. We're gonna kill the video here. Mission success. I wasn't expecting to get on 2 in 3 days, but that was pretty awesome. I like it when they're close to my house, within an hour and a half drive.